Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, Chrysler, Grand Voyager, 63 plate 2013, metallic black. Car has front fog lights, it's got 17-inch alloy wheels, it's got privacy rear glass, sliding rear door. Car has rear parking sensor, it's got reversing camera. Split folding electric seats. Full black leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 7 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation, got DVD screens. Car has satellite navigation, it's got reversing camera, USB and aux connection, climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, BluRay disc, DVD-ROM, automatic transmission. Thank you for watching.